Friday.
My nigga just got frozen by a cryogenic grenade, and as soon as it blew up, I made that sound.
You actually sound like a completely fucking different person.
Yeah, because I was sick as a shit.
If I took over Monte Vegas, the channel would literally lose all of its subs in the course of 5.5 milliseconds.
I feel like my ear, like, got a dick shoved in it.
Bro, you sound terrible. I'm sorry.
I know.
You sound so different.
What's up, bro?
You guys even played Black Ops 3 that much?
Oh, I love it.
Clear your throat a lot. You sound like a ghoul.
I shoved a razor up my ass. I looked up, like, Squidward PNG.
Sounds like
Dude, Sean, look at your phone real quick.
Is it the Squidward thing?
What is that? What is that, dude? Why did you send me that?
Brandon, send it to me. Hello?
Hi. Dude, I need to prank call somebody right now. Dude,
Yeah,
I have to.
Dude, you have to.
Let me do it right now.
Hope I don't get fucked.
Hi. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I have a complaint. So, I went to your McDonald's earlier this week, right? And then I ate the burger, and it was good. Don't get me wrong. But for some reason, when I woke up the next day, my voice was like this. What the fuck is that? Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Did you hear what I said? What happened? What? Well, what the fuck? Are you just gonna leave me with my voice like this?
Did you go to the doctor?
No. The first place I would go to is McDonald's. You fucking bitch!
Whoa! Wonder if I can be a niggler. Dung beetle pubes? Brandon, do you believe in dung beetle pubes? Brandon? Do you believe in dung beetle pubes? Dung beetle pubes?
When people have the memes where they just turn up the bass like times a million.
Oh no, god dang it!
That's my full name.
No, stop! 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 No!
You sounded like you were literally, your family was about to die. You were screaming so loud.
No, stop! 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 No!
Like my video, I'm gonna die. If you don't like it, please, motherfucker, need that YouTube revenue. Games! I like games. You wanna play a game with me? I like video games. Come play video game with me. I'm gonna get sent to an institution.
Jaboli jizz. Oh! Dude, I just got across the map.